Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed the aims and objectives of environmental education and the main importance of environmental education, okay, and the meaning and concept of environmental education. All those things we have discussed in the last class. In this class, we will discuss about environmental degradation topic. Okay, actually this topic is residing in second unit. Okay, so today we will discuss about what is mean by environmental degradation. Okay, factors which are responsible for environmental degradation and the main causes of environmental degradation. Okay, first of all, we see the concept of degradation. Okay, what is meant by environmental degradation? Okay, generally degradation means decrease or decrement of the components by the effect of different types of issues. Okay, in the same way here, how the environment is getting a decretion by the effect of different issues and challenges. Okay, so today we are hearing about this word of degradation, okay, in all over the world. Okay, how the environment which is polluted by the different factors and causes, and finally how the environment is going to be decreasing or depleting in different areas of the world. All those things we will discuss now. Okay, first of all, what is mean by environmental degradation? So actually, disintegration of the earth or deterioration of the environment through consumption of natural resources and wildlife. Okay, disintegration of the earth and mainly the deterioration of the earth causing by different polluted agents and other industrialization, okay, and landfills. All those things are affected the environmental degradation. Okay, actually the United Nations, okay, the United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction characterizes that environmental degradation as the lessening of the limit of the earth to meet the social and environmental destinations and needs. Okay, so sustainably to use the resources of the earth, we need some conservationable efforts and desirable changes will be needed to protect the environment. Okay, so nowadays the all over the world is getting so much highlighted and so much increase of population and industrialization, okay, and increase of science and technology. All those things will be causes for main environmental degradation. Okay, so if you see, there are different pollutions are there in the earth. For example, air pollution, land pollution, okay, sound pollution, radioactive pollution, light pollution. All those things are there. These are the one of the factor or main cause for environmental degradation. Okay, so in this topic there are different types of factors are there which are responsible for spoiling the environment or degrading the environment. Okay, which are, one is population growth, okay, and earth natural processes, human activities, excessive use of non-degradable products, for example plastics, okay, etc., and leakage of sewage into the fresh water, the nuclear test experiments, okay, and seventh one is deforestation and pesticides and insecticide using, excessive using of pesticides and insecticides in agriculture field, okay, and newly developed chemicals for making some kinds of products in some industries. In the same way, over industrialization, Okay, over industrialization, which means establishment of different industries in all over the world, is also responsible for environmental degradation. And finally, different types of pollutions. Already now I told you that these are the main factors which are responsible for environmental degradation. Let us see one by one the population growth. Okay, actually, I already told you in 1880 there is only 100 crores of population is there in all over the world. But in 21st century, nearly 750 crores of people are there in the world. Okay, by each and every year the population is expanding and the needs of the human being also increasing. That's why the human being consuming all the natural resources one by one, and he needs to more and more luxurious life for his settlement. That's why he is causing in different ways to the environment. Okay, for example, if a person needs to cultivate a great harvesting, he needs to use insecticides and pesticides in a large amount, okay, which gives a good harvest in the crop. But what will happen in the next, the pesticidal residues will be residing in the crops, which leads to ill health in human population, okay, and which makes spoil the environment. For example, excessive use of pesticides leads to the acid rains, okay, and also pesticide residuals in fresh water, okay, and exhausting of natural fresh water inside the earth, okay. All these things are the some of the reasons for polluting the environment. Okay, expanding of overpopulation is one of the cause of polluting the environment and environmental degradation. Okay, in the same way, earth natural processes. Okay, by the effect of natural earth processes is also one of the factor for environmental degradation. For example, there are so many volcanoes are there. When they exploding, the lava which is flowing on the earth, which causes the air pollution and land pollution. Okay, this is the natural process of environmental degradation. In the same way, tsunami, oceanic erosions, okay, and mountain blocks, okay, forest fires, all those things are also natural earth processes. Okay, when let us see the human activities. Okay, nowadays humans are exploiting so many industrial wastages, okay, and sewage and deforestation, cutting of forests and making agricultural lands. Okay, these are the main effects of human activities which are responsible for degrading the environment. Okay, and next go to the excessive use of non-biodegradable products. Here non-biodegradable products means the products which are not degradable on the earth, they will be remaining some thousands of years. Okay, for example, if you take plastic is a non-biodegradable product which resides nearly 2 or 3,000 years on the earth. Okay, it is very poisonous. That's why so many governments are banned the use of plastic. Okay, in the same way, pesticides are also causing more effect in crops and human population. Okay, and next leakage of sewage. Wastages are generally entering into the freshwater bodies like rivers, lakes, and other things. Okay, this kind of sewage is when entering into the freshwater bodies, totally the drinking water will be spoiled and it is not using for general human life. Okay, that's why before going to dissolving this sewage in fresh water, definitely we have to sterilize or we have to filter this sewage, and finally it has to be break down by the effect of different mechanics and industries. Okay, and next one is the nuclear test experiments. Okay, the nuclear tests experiments are generally producing numerous radiation into the surroundings. That's why these experiments should be proceeding in non-living areas like deserts or underground areas like that. Okay, when the nuclear explosion will happen, the total some 100 kilometers of the surroundings will be spoiled by the radioactive waves like gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, etc. Okay, and next the seventh one is the deforestation. Okay, deforestation is also main factor for environmental degradation. When the lacks of forest areas will be, when destroying, the main rainfall will be decreasing on the earth. Okay, this leads to be desertification. Okay, deserts will be formed by the effect of non-rainfall on the earth. Okay, that's why we have to take the action of reforestation to fulfill the greenery and forest areas. Okay, now the eighth one is excessive using of pesticides. Okay, when the pesticides are using enormously on the earth for the good yielding of the crops, it leads to be pesticides residual in vegetables. Okay, and granules. Okay, and in drinking water also the pesticides residues are there. Okay, this is very harmful effect to the human health and hygiene. Okay, that's why we have to improve the organic cultivation. Okay, this organic cultivation improves the human health and human lifespan. Okay, and next one is newly developed chemicals. Okay, newly developed chemicals also very harmful to the environment. When these chemicals are producing by the industries, these are accumulating in the nature, particularly in the troposphere and stratosphere. These chemicals causes the greenhouse effect. Okay, and ozone layer depletion, such issues. Okay, for example, if you see the chlorofluorocarbons are preparing by the fridge industries, these chlorofluorocarbons are main cause for depleting the ozone layer on the stratosphere. That's why we have to little use of new chemicals will be stopped. Okay, the next factor is over industrialization. Okay, so there are various industries are established all over the world. These over industrialization is also a main factor for environmental degradation. For example, if you see, there are different industries like automobiles, sugar factories, medical industries, pharmacy. Okay, all those things when they emit different wastages, these wastes are without sterilization. When they entering into the water bodies, it causes so many polluted agents in the water. Okay, that's why over industrialization is also one of the factor for environmental degradation. That's why we have to stop the over industrialization, and we have to limit the production of different harmful effects of the environment. Okay, and next 11th one is the different types of pollutions. Okay, there are air pollution, land pollution, okay, and radioactive pollution, ozone layer depletion, and greenhouse effect. Such type of pollutions are there on the environment. These pollutions cause major effects to degrade the environment. That's why we have to eradicate these type of pollutions by protecting the environment and by the limitation of the human activities we can prevent it. Okay, these are the factors which are degrading the environment or environmental degradation factors. Okay, next let us go to causes of environmental degradation. Okay, mainly there are some causes are there for the environmental degradation. For example, land disturbances, okay, pollution, overpopulation, okay, and landfills, deforestation and natural causes. So these are the main causes for environmental degradation. Okay, there is much more information is there in textbooks. Please go through these textbooks and read well. Okay, students. In the next class we will meet again with another topic. Okay, thank you, student. Thank you very much.